today I'm doing soft Rubik's Cube. I'm going Chau. Okay, so first, this Rubik's Cube I think is so good. And today have 6 steps. And this is the slower motion ever. Okay, so the first step is like that.
Show it.
Like that. The second step is like that. Super fast, okay? The second step is like that. The first step is like that. What?
You mean step 3?
Okay, the first step. I'm super fast. I'm super fast. Like that. The 5th step is like that. Okay, so like that. Okay, the 5th step is like that. Okay, the 6th step is like that. One is like that. Let's see. Wait a minute first.
组方块咯。但是通常情况下，我们看看旁边的这4面啦，哈，那我们任何一个地方先做一次双蚯蚓。
I found know it.
小鱼。
We skipped it. Okay, we done.
Are you lucky?
Yeah, I'm lucky. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe, please. Like and subscribe. Subscribe, please.